We've seen luxury SUVs, we've seen coupe SUVs, but the all-new 2026 BMW X8 breaks the mold and creates a category all its own. Forget everything you thought you knew about flagship vehicles, because this one isn't just about size. It's about a radical design that throws convention out the window and a shocking focus on luxury that puts it in a class above even the mighty X7. On paper, it seems to have it all, from a rumored 700 horsepower hybrid engine to a cabin that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. But can this rule-breaking SUV deliver on its promise in the real world? We're taking it for a spin to find out if it truly lives up to the hype. For decades, BMW has been synonymous with luxury and performance, but they've always played by a certain set of rules. They build the 3 Series for the enthusiast, the 7 Series for the executive, and the X7 for the family. But in 2026, all those rules were thrown out the window. This is the all-new BMW X8, the brand's new flagship SUV, and it's a direct challenge to the very definition of a high-end vehicle. Sitting at the pinnacle of BMW's lineup, the X8 isn't just bigger or more luxurious than the X7. It's a completely different kind of machine. It blends the dominant presence of a full-size SUV with the sleek, coupe-like silhouette of a sports car. Its target audience isn't just the successful executive, it's the driver who wants a bold statement on wheels, a vehicle that offers the comfort of a private jet with the thrill of a supercar. So, why does this matter? Because the X8 represents BMW's boldest gamble yet. It's an attempt to redefine the luxury SUV segment and create a new class of vehicle entirely. We've spent time with the X8, and in the next section, we'll break down its radical design, its jaw-dropping technology, and most importantly, how this rule breaker performs on the road. Let's start with the first thing that hits you: the design. The X8 is a bold statement, and it's unapologetically massive. But unlike the blocky X7, this vehicle has a presence that's all its own. The front end is dominated by a wider, more aggressive interpretation of BMW's iconic kidney grille, which is rumored to be illuminated, making it impossible to ignore on the road. The split headlight design, with a thin strip of LEDs above and the main light cluster below, gives it a menacing, forward-looking stare. From the side, the most dramatic element is that sloping roofline. It's a coupe silhouette stretched over an SUV body, giving it a sporty, dynamic profile that looks ready to pounce. It's a design that's going to be polarizing, but one thing is certain: you're going to be talking about it. Step inside, and it's clear where BMW has put its focus. The interior of the X8 isn't just a place to sit, it's an experience. The cabin is an oasis of luxury, with what we expect will be bespoke leather, carbon fiber, and unique trim options that rival anything from Mercedes or Range Rover. The cockpit is dominated by BMW's massive curved display, which seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment screen into one sweeping panel. This houses the latest iDrive 9.0 system, which is faster and more intuitive than ever. We've seen a version of this in other new BMWs, but in the X8, it's integrated with features like augmented reality navigation, which overlays directions directly onto a live camera feed. But the biggest surprise might be in the back seat. While the X7 is a family hauler with 3 rows, the X8 is rumored to be a 4 or 5-seater, with an optional rear seating configuration that offers captain's chairs for a true first-class experience. Now for the part we've all been waiting for: the performance. This is where the X8 truly breaks the rules. Under the hood, the top-of-the-line model is rumored to feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain, a 4.4-liter twin-power turbo V8 paired with an electric motor. The combined output is rumored to be a staggering 750 horsepower and over 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to launch this massive SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, putting it in supercar territory. But it's not just about straight-line speed. With an adaptive M suspension, integral active steering, and active roll stabilization, this vehicle is rumored to handle challenging corners with a level of agility that defies its size. This is a car that, by all accounts, shouldn't drive this well. But there's a catch. With all this performance and technology, what does this do to its fuel economy? And more importantly, what's the final number on the price tag? We'll get into that and the X8's biggest weaknesses in the next section. We've talked about the numbers, the horsepower, and the tech, but all of that means nothing without the drive. And this is where the X8 completely flips the script. Our biggest question was this: can a vehicle this massive, this opulent, truly handle like a sports car? The answer, to our genuine surprise, is yes. On this challenging mountain pass, the X8 felt impossibly agile. The combination of the adaptive M suspension, integral active steering, and that intelligent all-wheel drive system meant it attacked corners with a confidence that simply defies its size. It's not just fast in a straight line, it feels alive. It feels connected. It's an SUV that actually embodies the ultimate driving machine philosophy. But the real turning point wasn't on the road. It was when we let the car take over. We activated the rumored Level 3 autonomous driving feature on a divided highway, and the transition was seamless. The car navigated a complex interchange, handled lane changes, and maintained a perfect following distance without any input. It's a feature that feels like it's straight out of a concept car, but it's real, and it's mind-blowing. It proves that the X8 isn't just a powerful brute, it's a technological marvel. So, with all this groundbreaking performance and tech, is there a catch? Yes. There's one small thing we need to discuss before we get to the final verdict. While the X8 can do things no SUV has done before, the true measure of its success comes down to a different kind of rule entirely: the price. Is all this innovation worth the cost of admission? We'll get to that next. So, after putting this rule-breaking SUV to the test, what's the final verdict on the 2026 BMW X8? This isn't just another luxury vehicle, it's a statement. It's BMW's most ambitious and unapologetic creation to date, a blend of power, technology, and opulence that redefines the segment. Its biggest strengths are its breathtaking performance that defies its size, a revolutionary interior that feels years ahead of the competition, and a design that is a bold statement on wheels. It's a true driver's car that just happens to be an SUV. But it's not for everyone. The X8's biggest limitation is its uncompromising nature. It sacrifices some of the practicality of a traditional SUV for a truly unique, coupe-like silhouette and a focus on an ultra-luxurious rear seat experience. This is not a family hauler. It's a personal reward. And of course, there's the price of admission. The X8 is for the buyer who wants a vehicle that is not only a status symbol, but also a genuine technological and engineering marvel. It's for the person who values a visceral connection to the road as much as they do an unparalleled level of luxury. Ultimately, the X8's impact on the US market isn't about sales volume. It's about influence. It's a shot across the bow to rivals like Range Rover and Mercedes-Benz, proving that BMW is here to lead the future of the luxury SUV. It's a wake-up call that the old rules no longer apply. But that's just our take. We want to know what you think. Do you believe the 2026 BMW X8 is the new king of luxury SUVs, or is its bold design too much of a risk? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more game-changing reviews like this one, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join the community.